Kia ora folks, RDB, your local bushman here, and today just quick fun facts. I took the day off, okay? Took the day off to do some more training. Now I told my manager pretty much every now and then I'm going to take 1 day to 2 days off with training. I'm out here on the Te Awa cycle trail, which is part of the Te Araroa trail. I'm not doing much distance, okay? I've already done like 3k. I'm not doing much distance today. My pack out on my pack is basically what I'll be taking for most of the time through TA. So I've got all my clothes, my sleeping bag, everything. I've got everything. 4 days worth of food, a full day's worth of water. I've got 4 litres on me, so it's about a full day's worth of water, okay? So yeah, I'm not going far. I'm just doing a couple Ks here and then a couple Ks back home. Okay, this is quite a, it's flat. It's really flat track. It's more like a footpath really along the Waikato River. Just testing out this new camera. As you folks know, I just upgraded my camera. It's an FZ2500. Okay folks, FZ2500. It is a fantastic camera. Fun facts, I'm shooting at 2.8. My shutter speed is 50 and I'm shooting at 24 frames per second in cinema. Just testing out cinema because it's a personal preference. I like cinema. It's interesting. And yeah, well, hopefully we're going to shoot Project Distant Shores, the Tramper documentary about the Te Araroa Trail on cinema. So just testing the dynamic range of this camera. Anyway, let's keep walking. Okay, so apologies if it cuts in and out. As I said, I just got it on my tripod, okay folks? Just on the tripod. I don't usually use this tripod at all. Predominantly for photography and mostly my bush videos. So some of the bush videos you've seen in the past, it's been this tripod, okay? Just rigged up into trees with bungee straps. It's very interesting setup, but you got to do whatever makes work, okay? Apologies if it jambles and you get some noise. All of this has been tuned out, okay? So lighting's not, lighting's okay. Everything's just been shot in Cine like D. Okay, flat profile. I can grade it later. Okay, over here, okay? This is all Brian Perry's land. Now remember folks, this Te Awa cycle trail, this Te Awa cycle trail is a part of the TA. We're on the TA right now. So that's the cool thing about me living in the trail town. I can jump on the TA anytime I want. I don't really have to get out of my way to get on the TA. But yeah. Just thought I'd try this Bushman's logbook out, okay? Okay, let's just do some quick channel updates. Okay. We've got a couple new series coming along, okay? You're gonna have to stay tuned for that. You're gonna have to stay tuned for those series. Now, one of them is about. I've been thinking about doing reviews for quite a while. I'm not the review type of guy. I don't really like to do reviews. However, there's some kit that I believe I can review, so that's what I'm going to do. So it's going to be called the Throw. Okay, that's all I can say. It's not really a review, it's an overview. It's field tested, abused gear. Because I think, you know, just had to get some water. You know, when people look for reviews about gear, they want something that's been field tested. An overview, not their personal opinion, but how well does it actually perform? And, well, that's what the Throw is going to be about, okay? So the actual title, well, it's been abbreviated down, but it's going to be THRO. Okay, so there's that. We also got the Outdoor Heritage Aotearoa series. Now, Outdoor Heritage Aotearoa series, okay folks, is about the brands, manufacturers, designers of outdoor gear or the outdoor world, or people that innovated for New Zealand bush or backcountry. So it could be product series, it could be labels, brands, certain products, niches and products, etc. And that's the Outdoor Heritage Aotearoa series. Now, a couple more things. Now, Tractor Trail, this is the current playlist, okay folks? We're currently on. This is for the TA. Now, this is going to be constantly updated over the next 2 to 3 months. Now, at work, I have only got 9 weeks. That's right folks, 9 weeks of work left, so everyone's feeling excited for me. Everyone knows, okay? Even the top big boss knows what I'm doing. And yeah, it's quite an epic journey, okay? Te Araroa is I'm gonna have to do a separate video about this, but it's a mental game, eh? Training for a through hike, not even doing it, you know, just training for it. It's a big mental game, and that's just some of the things that Russ is working out at the moment. The mental side. You know, I may be a Rastafarian and I may be a really strong man and individual, but even subconsciously, there's a lot of things about the trail that just manages to pass through my mind, so I'm going to have to do a video about that sometime. Okay? So I'm about not even a K from my target area. It's just a little hillock on top, adjacent, I should say, to the Awa Waikato River, okay? And we're on the Awa, Te Awa cycle trail, but it's also part of the TA, because that's what Russ is all about this year. TA all day, that's all I can think about out of bay. You know, it's just TA. When I go to sleep, all I think about, TA. When I go to work, TA. That's all I think about. I'm being straight up, folks. That's all Russ thinks about. TA. Oh, in the bush. Oh, and other things, but that's predominantly all I think about. And I am flipping ecstatic. Just a quick health update. At the moment, I'm suffering shin splints on this leg. So I'm suffering shin splints. It's going away. My ankles and my shin muscles are getting back up, getting re-strengthened. Weight-wise, I've put on about 6 kilos, so not much. I am sitting at a healthy 88 to 90 kilos at the moment. Okay, 88 and 90 kilos, it's not the best, it's not the worst. Roughly, I estimate I'm going to lose at least 12 to 17 kilos with ease on the TA, on the Te Araroa Trail. With ease, no joke. Okay, so I'm definitely going to lose that with ease now. We're coming up to that little hillock. This is just basically an update rendition while I walk about, and I think it's a new rendition of the Bushman's Logbook. Bushman's Logbook is coming back, okay, on the TA. It's going to be the Bushman's Trail Book, okay, so I am still going to do the Bushman's Logbook, okay, still going to be done. Yeah, what can I say, just haven't been out to the bush lately, just haven't really been able to afford it really, because I am saving, I'll mention this in another video, but I am saving a lot of money, hundreds and hundreds of dollars a week. It's intense how much money I'm saving. It really is a lot. Anyway, so yeah, basically that. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ka kite anō, blessed trails, and hope to see you folks next time. Take care.